Looking for a mortgage that actually makes sense? RichmondCustomHomes.com brings expert guidance and smart home financing together. Building your dream custom home spans 9 to 18 months, costing $400,000 to $1.5 million. It begins with consultation and visioning, 1 to 3 months, defining needs, lifestyle, and budget. This includes selecting your ideal lot, crucial for your custom build. Design phase takes 3 to 6 months for custom blueprints, 3D renderings, and engineering plans. Financing and pre-construction, 1 to 2 months, secures construction loans and finalizes budget. Permitting and approvals, 1 to 3 months, ensure plans meet local zoning and regulations. Site preparation, 2 to 4 weeks, includes surveying, clearing, excavation, and utilities. Foundation pour, 2 to 4 weeks, lays concrete slabs or walls, curing 28 days. Framing and structure, 4 to 8 weeks, erects walls, floors, and roof trusses. Exterior enclosure, 3 to 4 weeks, adds roofing, windows, doors, and siding. Rough-ins for mechanical, electrical, plumbing take 4 to 6 weeks, then inspections. Insulation and drywall, 3 to 4 weeks, prepare the interior for finishing. Interior finishes, 8 to 12 weeks, add flooring, cabinets, countertops, and paint. Finally, 2 to 4 weeks for inspections, landscaping, closing, and move-in. Richmond Custom Homes provides expert mortgage guidance and construction loans. Contact Dwayne Buzayak for free pre-qualification, no credit impact, and build your dream home.